Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting friction. Pick the single most impact task and commit to starting it within 2 minutes. Once done, remove your biggest distraction, phone, browser tab, or noisy app, and set a visible 25-minute timer so your brain accepts focused work. Make sure to frame this as one short experiment, not an endless grind. This immediate push generates momentum. That first completed chunk reduces resistance and primes you for the next, longer effort. You now move into steady execution by chunking work into manageable intervals, alternate focus stretches with short breaks to sustain speed. Once your rhythm is set, batch-like activities, emails then calls, then deep writing, to avoid costly context switching and preserve cognitive energy. Make sure to use a single checklist or board so you never spend time deciding what to do next. This consistent structure accelerates throughput, prevents stalls, and makes progress visible. You finish strong by doing a 5-minute review. Mark what's done, capture the immediate next action, and archive completed items so your list stays lean. Once wrapped, schedule a brief recovery break to recharge. That prevents sluggishness later. If things go wrong and you stall, reset instantly with a 2-minute micro-task, anything achievable, to rebuild momentum, then reassess priorities. This tidy close and quick recovery loop prevents slowdowns from compounding and keeps your pace sustainable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.